Find the standard equation of the hyperbola which satisfies the given conditions. The first one is the center is at -10, -4, and one corner of the auxiliary rectangle is at -1, 12. And we have a horizontal transverse axis. So, doon tayo sa horizontal transverse axis. So, kung yung transverse axis ay horizontal, ang equation ng ng hyperbola natin is of the form x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared is equal to 1. Kasi sabi ko doon sa mga previous videos, kung nakanino yung minus, hindi siya yung axis. So, since si x squared yung may, siya yung nasa kanya yung transverse axis, kung horizontal yung transverse axis, so ibig sabihin si x squared, siya yung may positive, siya yung positive. So, let's first draw the situation. Okay. So, this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. And then the center is at -10, -4. -10, so let's have this as -10. And -4, this is -4. So, here is your center. And then, one of the corners of the auxiliary rectangle is at -1, 12. -1. This is -1. And let's have this as 12. So, sorry. Let's put 12 here. This is -1, 12 here. So, here is the one corner of the auxiliary rectangle. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong, sorry, what's this? So, meron tayong asymptote na pa ganito. So, here's one of your, sorry, panipisin ko lang. So, one of your asymptotes, is this. So, this is one of your asymptotes. So, yan. And then, kung isang corner to, ibig sabihin, if we're going to draw our auxiliary rectangle, so, pag ganito yan, gusto tumama dito. Yan. So, yan. So, ibig sabihin, this height here, ang axis natin is horizontal, no? So, ibig sabihin, this height from this point up to this point, which is, this is -4 up to 12, 16 from this point to this point, 16 units. And then from center up to this point is 9 units. 9 units. So, tanong, alin dyan si A, alin dyan si B? Since ang ating axis ay horizontal, ibig sabihin, nandito, yung isa nating, ito yung isa nating vertex, at ito naman yung dulo ng conjugate axis. So, pag dinrawing natin, sketch natin yung hyperbola natin, parang ganito yung itsura niya. Pag ganan. So, isa pa ganito. So, yung kabila nandito pa sa side na to eh. Kasi we still need to move yung rectangle natin dito sa side na to. So, nandito pa yung isa. So, roughly nandyan. Okay? Anyway. So, we have B. This is B, 16, and this is A, 9. So, we'll have the equation. The equation, therefore, is, change colors. So, the equation, therefore, is x minus your h, your center is at 10. So, this is your h, this is your k. So, ang h natin is -10. So, ax minus 10. So, it will become plus 10 squared over, your a is 9. So, a squared is 81 minus y minus k. So, your center is at -4. So, y minus -4, it will become plus 4 squared over, yung value ng b natin ay 16 squared. What is 16 squared? It's 100. So, let's have a calculator to make it sure. What is 16 squared? 16 times 16. That is 256. So we have 256 here equals 1. Yeah, therefore this is your this is your equation.